"Oh my god, I lost so much money with Royalq," said one of my downline, and I'm here to tell you it's simply not possible. Hey everyone, my name is Marcus, and today we're gonna take a look at Royalq from the aspect of, can you lose money or can't you, right? So let me answer to this question real quick. It's not possible to lose money with Royalq, but there are certain things that you have to take into consideration. When you are buying a coin, that coin will fluctuate in value depending on the market price. That is how we as traders or connected to a trader on the Royalq platform make money, in the difference in the value of this here coin. So when you're buying a coin, it is yours, right? You have bought the coin, it's now yours, it will fluctuate in value. And when it fluctuates in value, so will your portfolio and the value of your portfolio. And that is exactly as it should be. The only way you can lose money is if you sell it manually with a loss. Royalq will never ever make a losing trade, right? So what it does is that according to a set strategy, the more the market goes down, the more it buys in different positions, and when the market goes up again, it will then sell off, right? And because the Royalq bot is so advanced, it can buy in multiple different positions when the market goes down. These can also be sold separately when the market goes up. So let's say the market swings down 20% and you're bought in all the way down, and then the market swings up 10%. Then you will still be able to sell off those positions that are now in profit, but the whole position or the majority of the position is still in minus, right? So it can make money both when the markets go down and both when it goes up. A very important thing to remember is that if you were just holding the coin, not doing anything with it, they would also fluctuate in value. So Royalq does exactly what it's supposed to do. You cannot blame Royalq, right, for the swings in the market. So when the market goes down abnormally much, there are two things that we can do. Number one, we have patience. We have patience. If we don't have enough margin calls for all the way down, if we only gone down here and the market goes down here, then we need to wait until the market goes back up to our last margin call in order for us to start trading again. The second thing you can do is add more capital, right? Let me explain. If the market has gone down 20% and you're trading with $100, if you were to add another $100, now your position would only be minus 10%, right? Because you have dollar cost average your position. Now, the key thing to remember here is that we are investors, right? We want to make money on our money. So when we put money into Royalq, right? Or should I say into our exchange and being traded by Royalq, we should not look to take that money out, ever, right? We want to put our initial money there and then have that money working for us, generating a cash flow. We must, take away the consumer mindset of spending the money on a liability that isn't producing a cash flow. So we want to continuously put in more and more money into our exchange, right? So that it can be traded with, and then we only spend the earnings, right? Because we are trying to build our net worth. If you take all the money out of if you sell it, then you're back to square one again. You want to build it up to such a degree, right, that the earnings from your initial or your principal capital is enough for you to live comfortably, right? So you're not supposed to spend that money, right? So this is a key, really, paradigm shift you need to have. The money is there to make you more money. Sometimes we'll go up, sometimes we'll go down with the market, and that's fine. Then you set for yourself whether that is 10% of your income every month, whether it's 5% or whatever you can put in every month, and your dollar cost average, add more, and then you just spend the earnings, right? So then you will build up your net worth, which is really what we want to do, right? So I hope this explains the whole thing about whether you can lose money with Royalq or not. You cannot, right? But you cannot blame Royalq for the market, right, going up and down. So either be patient or put in more money. Put in a little bit more money, only spend what you're earning, bring that initial capital up as much as you can till such a time that, hey, you can live comfortably just on your returns. This is my advice. Never do anything crazy. Don't take a second mortgage on your house. Don't take, very, very big loans and put it in there. Don't do that. Put in a little bit of money every single month, think long term, and share this with as many people as possible, because this is the best thing that I've ever seen, where your money is safe and secure on a trusted third-party platform, right, or on an exchange, I should say. And then you have someone, with a track record of success, these traders here in the Royalq application, that then can trade for you, right? So if you need any help whatsoever getting started with Royalq, if you want to build a team, let me help you. Let me put people inside of your downline. Hey, I need you to be successful. I need you to climb up the ranks for me to do so as well. So let us work together. You'll find my link there down below. And, have an amazing, amazing day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.